Hi guys, Mrs. Townsley here. Today's Tuesday and I've got your warm-up in front of us. It looks like we need to solve each division problem. No problem, we can do this. Let's see here. I would start with moving this decimal up. So wherever it is in here, move up. So it's like you're moving it up before, okay? You want to think, how many times is 7 going to 6? 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract, you have 6. Bring down your 0. How many times is 7 going to 60? Well, 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56, so that's pretty close. So let's try 8. 8 times 7 is 56. You want to subtract 60 minus 56. So there's 4. Bring down your 2. How many times is 7 now going to 42? Well, 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 6 is 42. And that's your answer. It's 0.86 or 86 hundredths. Okay? Good job. Next one. How many times does 6 need to go into 8.34? Okay? You can go ahead and start. Move your decimal up. How many times does 6 go into 8? Once. 1 times 6 is 6. You want to subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down your 3. How many times does 6 go into 23? Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so that's too much. What about 6 times 3? Good job. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 23 minus 18. And if you need to, do 13, and that's 1, so 13 minus 8 is 5. Bring down your 4. How many times does 6 now go into 54? 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9 is 54. So 9 times 6 is 54. 0. All right, take a look at the next one. Now you have to figure out how many times 3 is going into 4.89. Okay, start, like I said before, move your decimal up. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, you've got 1. Bring down your 8. 3 goes into 18 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. If you subtract, you have 0, but look, you've got one more number. Bring your next number down. You've got 9. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. And that's your answer. 1 and 63 hundredths. Okay? All right. Take a look over here. Now it says convert to a decimal. Convert to a decimal. And we went ahead and we started doing this today. And I'll make this a little bigger. Sorry about that. 1 divided by 5. That's what this says. 1 divided by 5. You want to go ahead and write it like that. But when you look at this, you're going to be like, oh, gosh, it's so frustrating because you've got to add a 0. But that's okay. So bring your decimal point up. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10, and it's 0. So look, this equals 0.2, and that's your answer, 0.2. Okay, look at the next one. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. Okay? And right away, this is going to be a problem, but that's okay, because this can have a 0.0, because that doesn't change the number, okay? So just bring your decimal up. How many times does 3 go into 20? 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. 20 minus 18 is 2, but you can't have a remainder. But what you can do is add another 0. How many times does 3 go into 20? Well, that's going to be 6 again. So we're going to end up with this 0.6 with a bar because it's going to keep repeating. Okay? All right, look at the next one. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. Okay, you're going to look at this and it's going to look weird, but it's not. You can always add a 0.0. Okay? 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10, and that's 0. Okay? And you're done. All right. Got one over here on this side. It says multiply. Just multiply like you would normally. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14. 15, 16. Okay? Now, you're moving over into the 10 spot, so you want to put a placeholder there. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2, and that was from before. 1 times 2 is 2. You want to add 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now look, how many decimal places do you have in the problem? 1, 2. You have 2. So in your answer, you have to have 1, 2 decimal places. Okay? So whatever you have up here, you have 1 here, 2 total, 1, 2 total there. Okay? Guys, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.